So how to add a new payee contact to Barclays. So to add a new payee to Barclays, you'll firstly want to go onto the Barclays app and then go to pay and transfer at the bottom here. Then once you've clicked on pay and transfer, you just want to simply select the pay option here. And then from the pay option, you should be brought through to this page here. So you almost want to act like you're making a new payment. And then once you've done that, you can select add a payee here. Then once you've done that, you should be brought through to this page here. And nice and simple, select add a new payee. Then from there, just select add new bank details. And then once you've done that, you can now enter the bank details of the payee that you want to add. And then once you've saved it, those details will now be saved to your Barclays account and you can go ahead and now send them money. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.